sneeze. Your nose is for smelling, and also for breathing. When something gets in your nose, like dust or pollen, that gets you sneezing. Achoo, achoo, hoo, hoo, blow it out, hooray, woo-hoo. When something gets in your nose, you have to get it out. Your body goes achoo. That's what sneezing's all about. Achoo, achoo, hoo, hoo, blow it out, hooray, woo-hoo.
Ah, well done, little scientists.
Thanks for helping solve our sneeze mystery, Mr. Antelope.
You got it. And thank you for choosing your local library.
Okay, it's time to take these flowers to our exploring clubhouse. I'll just stay a little bit behind these flowers.